Okay guys, we've got a little bit of a special for you today. We've got two videos coming out. We've got an unboxing video and we've got the second part of the eBay coin hunt. So we'll get straight into this one. We'll make it nice, quick and simple and everything else. Now, I ordered these online, packaged in a Christmas card box by the looks of it. I'm not a stamp collector, but I think these have been packaged for a while. But we'll open them up, see what we've got. Normally I don't buy coins. I obviously tend to find them in circulation, but there are some that you kind of have to buy, either because of not being in circulation or so I had to check there, no details on there, or they are no longer in circulation. So what we've got is, we've got the 1982 proof set. We've got the 1983 proof set. The 1981 proof set. And the 1980 proof set. I'm just looking at the 2p there. It looks like it may have been broken open and the 2p actually used. Rather strange coin to use though. It looks like it's been sealed again, but I'm not sure. It looks like there's a bit of weathering on there. Anybody who's had proof sets and want to inform me if that happens because of a broken seal or whatever else, that would be great to know if you could let us know. But yeah, we bought all these. I do want to try and get as many proof sets as possible, whether that be from eBay or anything like that. So I do want to fill in the gaps, but it's a good start. We've got the 1980, 1981, 1982 and 1983. But that's all we've got for you for this video, but thought we'd do a little unboxing for you because we haven't done one in a while. So apart from that, all that's left for me to say is like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your neighbours, tell anyone you know really who enjoys coin collecting, and have a good one.